and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to do an unboxing and a little review of the new Dyson Airwrap. A little background, I was actually a little skeptical about this Dyson Airwrap. So my friend actually, Rain, if you're watching, hi Rain, thank you so much for lending me your Airwrap. So I started using my friend's Dyson Airwrap just to have a grasp on how it actually works on my hair and whether I would like it or not. And honestly, when I tried the blow dryer, I was actually already sold, because especially for my daughter, because she hates the loud noise with the blow dryer. And the blow dryer with the old Dyson Airwrap, it just gives you that soft blow of air, and it's very, I know, it's very relaxing on the hair. It doesn't feel like, you know, those conventional blow dry that just like blasts air on your hair, and sometimes it doesn't really feel good on your head. The attachment for that old Dyson Airwrap was really good. So when I tried it, I told myself, okay, I'm going to buy this Dyson Airwrap. And then a few days after, I saw that they launched the new Dyson Airwrap, and I looked online and I saw that on Best Buy, the old one and the new one actually has the same price. So obviously, I have to buy the new Dyson Airwrap. Again, I ordered it at bestbuy.ca here in Canada, and it cost me $749.99 Canadian, and that's the same price for the old Dyson Airwrap. So it comes in a midnight blue box. The box feels more velvety than leather. Inside, of course, it has the Airwrap's body with the motor. This is a little lighter than the old one, just a little, and the setting is like the original. It has the low, medium, and high setting for fan, and then it has the cold, hot, and hottest setting for the heat setting. The big difference is that this new Dyson Airwrap has only 6 attachments compared to the old one that has 8 attachments, and I'll get into that. The first attachment is a dryer. So if you do this, you can use this to blast hot air on your hair to roughly dry them before styling. But when you switch the nozzle to where it goes across this copper lining, with this mode, the dryer attracts and lifts longer hairs to the front as a second jet pushes flyaways. So shorter and broken hairs created by heat damage and such would be at the bottom of your hair, so it wouldn't show the frizzes and those broken and shorter hair. The second attachment is the soft brush. This will give you a straight blow-dried hair, and it is for thin hair. The third attachment is the firm brush for thicker, frizz-prone hair. The fourth attachment is the round volumizing brush. This, compared to the old one, has a metal finish. The old one has more of that matte black coating on it. The last 2 attachments are the 30 and 40 millimeter barrels. Here's the big difference between the old and the new one. On the original Airwrap, the air was only able to flow in one direction on the curling barrel, so you need 2 curling barrels for each direction of the airflow. So you need to switch barrels when styling different sides of your hair or different sections of your hair. But with this new engineered barrel, the air can flow in both directions. You simply rotate the tip of the switch to the direction that you like, which makes it quicker and easier to use. So that's my unboxing and a little demo on how the new Dyson works. On my next video, I'll be showing you how this 2 Dyson compares. So I'll be showing you on one side the old Dyson Airwrap and on the other side the new Dyson Airwrap. So we can compare both of these machines on how they style my short hair. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated when that new video comes out. Thank you so much, dolls, again for watching. I'll see you on my next one.